Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is question number 3, exercise 3.5, and it is relevant to joint variations. In the statement of the question, it is written that if y varies directly to the cube of x, that is x raised to power 3, and y varies inversely as z square and t according to the statement of the question. So if I join them together, then jointly I will write it as y is directly proportional to x3 and inversely proportional to z square minus z square into t. So this will give you a joint formation or the joint variation according to the given data. So by combining these two first and second relations, we will be getting this relation. And we wanted to remove the sign of proportionality. For that purpose, we are placing a constant k, and for finding the value of k, we will be using given set of values, that is y is equal to 16, x equals to 4, z is equals to 2, and t is equals to 3. All these values will be substituted in this formula to derive the value of k. Once the given values are substituted, we will be getting a set of values. Substituting these set of values, we are getting of value for k, that after the simplification we will be getting k is equals to 3. Once the k is calculated, so we will substitute the value of k in this above equation, and from this, in this equation, substitution of k will generate this formation. And once this in this formation, what we will do, that another set of values is given to drive the value of y to find. As you can see that with the green highlighter, that we have substituted another set of values to find y. So we will substitute the values of y to calculate value of y by cancellation. Y is becoming 2 by 3. So straight away you will be solving the question by substituting the value. So the prime objective is this, that you will first find a relationship in direct variation and combination of direct and inverse variation or jointly, and we will be getting the values for y is equal to 2 by 3. For the next question, if you look at the question number 5, so for finding values of v, we have a formula in question number 5, or according to the statement, that v is directly proportional to x raised to power 3, x dot y raised to power 3 in first relationship, and v is inversely proportional to 1 over z square. So these are relation 1 and relation number 2. When you will jointly write them together, so joint variation will become in this way. This is called the joint variation. So in joint variation, we will substitute, we will pair up first and second relation jointly. V is directly proportional to xy3 and inversely proportional to z square. Then we will remove the sign of proportionality, we will place a constant sign, that is k, and given set of values will be substituted. As you can see that we will substitute v, x, y and z in this formula to derive the value of k. So once the value of k is calculated by substituting and simplification, the value of k is becoming, that is 7 over 8. So after cancellation we are getting 7 over 8. This value of k will be substituted in place of k. This is the place of k, we are substituting 7 over 8, and another pair of values of x, y and z is written. So we will substitute it into this formula to generate v is equals to 14 by 3, like this one. So this will finish the question because we just need to find the first value of k and then substitute into the formula, and another set of values is given to find the value of v. Simply substitute, go for cancellation, and we will be getting v is equals to 14 by 7. Another question number 6 is there. So according to question number 6, if we look at the question number 6, we will be watching that uh, w is inversely proportional to the cube of u. So it will be written as w is equals to k over u3, and value of w is written as that is 5, and u is provided as 3. So 3 cube will become 27, and k's value will become 135. So this value of k will be substituted right here, and we will form w is equals to 135 over u3, and another value of u is written to find the value of w, that is 6. So once we will substitute the value of 6 into this formula, so we will be getting w is equals to 5 by 8. This completes the answer, that w is equals to 5 over 8. This finishes the question. So I hope that you will understand it.